In this video, we review new Intune application support with Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5. We are happy to announce that Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5 now supports linking Intune as a read-only application repository. With this feature, we can now deploy Intune apps to Intune devices directly from the Unified Application Management Console. To add an Intune repository, we start by verifying our Intune environment is linked. We can verify that by going to Azure Environment under Settings and review the status of Intune. Next, we go to Nerdio Environment. From here, we can add Intune as a linked repository for Unified Application Management. We'll go to Link, select the repository type, and give it a friendly name, and OK. Now that Intune is linked, we can deploy Intune applications to Intune devices from Nerdio Manager for Enterprise. For example, if we go to the Unified Catalog and Applications, from here we'll filter our repositories to the Intune repository we just added. Next, we can deploy Intune applications by going to Deploy. We'll select to deploy to Intune, and then add our target. That is how we link a read-only Intune repository to Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5 and use it to deploy applications.